everyone! How are you today? I know you are very well. Well, are you ready to start? Well, now we are going to continue with the second part of the past tense, okay? Now we are going to do the past tense in the negative form, okay? Yes, that's very easy, okay? In the negative form, you have to use just this auxiliary, okay, to put it into the past. For example, you have to use the auxiliary verb didn't. Okay, you remember in the present, you use don't or doesn't, right? Okay, in this case, you use just one auxiliary verb called didn't. Okay, didn't. Didn't, okay, to make your past tense, okay, you make your negative sentence. Okay, for make your negative sentence. Okay? For example, okay, if you want to make a negative sentence, you have to use this auxiliary, didn't. Okay? If I say in the affirmative, I have, for example, I have a car. Okay, I have a car, but in the past, in the negative form, you have to use didn't. Okay, to make a negative sentence. I didn't have a car. Okay, in the past, you can use, for example, had. I had a car in the past. Okay, in the negative, you have to use didn't have. All the time, you have to use, when you use auxiliaries, okay, in this case, the auxiliary of the past is didn't, you have to use the infinitive form of the verb, okay, the infinitive form. So, or in the present, okay, infinitive form of the verb. For example, another, for example, the verb sing. I didn't sing at the concert yesterday. I didn't sing. Okay? Didn't. You have to use didn't plus the verb in infinitive. Okay? Or the infinitive verb. All the time you have to use the infinitive verb. Don't forget it. Okay, students? Okay, and many examples. Okay, you can use, for example, I didn't play or she didn't play in the park. She didn't play. All the time you have to use the auxiliary didn't with all the verb but in infinitive. Okay, that's really easy. The negative in the past way. Okay, here doesn't care is if the verb are regular or irregular because you don't need the regular irregular. Just you have to use the infinitive verb. Don't forget it, students. Practice a lot. Okay, see you in another opportunity. Okay, with another lesson, the interrogative.